Hello, in this video you will get to know how to know the exact bit depth of your clip and metadata of your clip and import media and all about creating a new timeline, right? So this is the this is the color page, and you can see I have to create a timeline. So you have to create a timeline for color page, and you have to come to first page, media page, and this is the media storage, and you have access to your drives, all the drives like this. So suppose you have data on D drive, and as I have D drive, so you can click on folder where you have clips, and you have to press and click on the clip, right? So you can click, and you can see that the metadata, and you can see in this window like this. So what you have to do, you have to double tap on the clip, and then you see the right side, you can see all the details, and metadata details and bit depth of details, clip details here. So this was shot in Blackmagic, and this is the frame rate, and you can see the clip details, and this is a clip details and Blackmagic raw it was shot as, and this is a 24 fps frame rate and resolution. So below you can also see the bit depth, like this was this had 16 bit depth, 16 bit clip, and all the details are showing that how this image was shot. So if you want, you can check with the another clip, right? This is my another clip, and you can see this was shot as Blackmagic raw. All the details are there as previous, and all the details like bit depth is 16, and audio channels, labels, audio bit depth, everything. So this is how you can check other clips as well. So this has 16-bit image, and this was Blackmagic raw, all the details. So let me show you one more clip like this. So let me show some another clip as well for you, and this is the well-known clip. This was also shot on Blackmagic raw, and it was shot in 23.967 fps, bit depth is 16, right? Like for, and let me show you another clip. This is 10-bit clip, and you can see this is Apple ProRes 422 HQ, right? And this has the resolution of 4096 and 2106, and bit depth and everything, every details are there. So you can also create a timeline from here, and let me show something different, and one more feature in between I would show you. So this is how do you create a timeline, right? So right click, add into media pool, or you can directly drag and drop clip to the folder, right? Like this. So let me have some more clips to create a timeline here, so that I can show something very interesting here. And I'm creating a timeline, and so that I can show something uh, like this. So if you want to partially add this clip to media pool, you can mark in and mark out, and you can add to media pool if you want to partially add this clip to media pool. And one more and good feature I would like to show you: right click, extract audio, click extract audio. This is how you can also extract the audio, only audio, from any video file. See this. So this is just a cool feature I was showing you. I think nobody is gonna tell you, especially. So you have to create a new timeline. So select all the clips and create new timeline using selected clips, and it will take some time because all the clips are very heavy. My system is little bit slow, so just wait. You can rename the timeline as well, and you can create new timeline. So just click here and you will see the timeline is created. But this is very easy. But why I am showing you, because you can create a multiple timeline for the multiple point of view. If you are grading for multiple point of view and different want multiple timelines, so you can create. Let me show you how. So all these three clips are there, and this is my one timeline, and I'm coming to the same media page, and if I right click here, see this, right click here, and here I have to duplicate this timeline, another version of timeline. So I will click duplicate timeline here, and you see what happening. This is the same version, this is the same timeline, all the clips, and duplicate timeline is ready. You can rename this timeline as well. So I've created a duplicate timeline, and now I will show you how on color page this looks and how useful this duplicate timeline in or to your color page. So let's go to color page and see what is the interesting thing. So I'm coming to color page, and you can now see this is a timeline 1, and all the timelines are visible here. Timeline 1, timeline. So if on timeline 1, suppose I have done something different, in timeline 1 copy I am doing something different, you can see and you can check the different version. Timeline 1 and timeline 1 copy, you can create different versions as well, but these, I think this is little bit different from the versions, right? You, if you want to short the timeline, one timeline, if you want to remove the clips for one timeline, and whatever you want to use, you can use like this. So this was the cool feature, and again I would like to show you how you extract the audio, and how do you get the metadata, how do you create a timeline. Everyone creating a timeline, but the purpose to make this video to show these interesting features like this. And here you can see the timeline one copy and timeline in one go, right? So thank you for watching, and you can see the bit depth as well. And thank you, thanks for watching.